Imagine navigating the depths of the ocean or controlling autonomous surface and underwater vehicles with pinpoint precision. How do vehicle operators ensure those missions go smoothly, even in the most challenging environments? The answer lies in an advanced technology known as SPRINT-Nav. SPRINT-Nav is a cutting-edge hybrid navigation system that combines three key technologies into a compact, all-in-one instrument. Let's break that down into what makes it so powerful. First, the inertial measurement unit, or IMU, which measures the vehicle's orientation and acceleration. Next, the Doppler velocity log, or DVL, which measures the velocity of the vehicle relative to the seabed. And finally, there's a survey-grade pressure sensor, which measures depth, and a temperature sensor, which is part of estimating sound velocity. Three sensors feed their data into a tightly coupled algorithm, which fuses the information for an ultra-reliable navigation solution. But it doesn't stop there. SPRINT-Nav also accounts for errors that might affect each sensor, ensuring that the final result is more accurate than any one of the individual sensors by itself. One of the most remarkable features of SPRINT-Nav is how easy it is to use. There's no need for special calibration before or during a mission. It's all pre-calibrated and ready to go from the moment it's turned on. Now let's talk about how SPRINT-Nav is used. Whether it's piloting an ROV for deep sea operations, conducting subsea surveys, or managing dynamic positioning for AUVs, SPRINT-Nav has a wide range of applications. For midwater station keeping with sparse LBL or USBL for ROVs, SPRINT-Nav excels at fusing absolute position aiding to allow the vehicle to navigate during midwater inspections from a stable platform. For AUVs, SPRINT-Nav's low drift IMU allows prolonged periods of free inertial, and then once in range of DVL, the system can accurately estimate the bias of its internal sensors and those of any external aiding sensors, providing class-leading typical survey values for large-scale lawnmower survey patterns. SPRINT-Nav adapts to a variety of needs, bolstered by the availability of a range of form factors. Our standard SPRINT-Nav is suitable for work-class ROVs, XL UUVs, USVs and crewed vessels, where power isn't limited and deployment are in deep water and potentially for long periods of time. SPRINT-Nav Mini, however, is the perfect solution for AUVs and smaller USVs, where size, weight and power are necessary considerations. And finally, SPRINT-Nav U, the world's smallest hybrid navigation system, is ideal for inspection class ROVs and small AUVs. SPRINT-Nav also has a dynamic positioning variant, SPRINT-Nav DP, for vessels that need to rely on incredibly accurate navigation even in GNSS-denied environments. In a world where precision is key, our SPRINT-Nav systems combine powerful sensors and cutting-edge algorithms to deliver reliable, real-time navigation that supports a wide range of underwater and surface applications. To learn more about how SPRINT-Nav can take your underwater operations to the next level, you can find out more at Sonardyne.com. And if you've got any questions, please get in touch via our website or via your local Sonardyne office. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with everything new from Sonardyne. Thanks for watching.